Hello friends, myself Professor Joshi VM from Resource Technical Campus CHAS Ahmednagar. This is our second lecture on transformer numericals. Today today we solve three various important numericals of transformer subject. Okay, let's start our session. So what is the numerical? What is numerical is given efficiency of 400 kVA single phase transformer is 9877% when delivering a full load of 0.8 power factor, and it is 99.13% at half load unity power factor. So calculate iron loss and second full load copper loss. Okay, let's we solve this numerical. So first step, what is the given? We have given here kVA rating equals to kVA equals to 400 kVA. After that, efficiency 1 is given. Efficiency 1 is 98.77%, and efficiency 2 is given 0.9913. This efficiency at 0.8 at full load, and this efficiency at the 1 unity power factor UPF at half load. Okay, so first consider number 1, full load efficiency. Full load efficiency. Then what is the formula of efficiency? Efficiency equals to kVA into 100 into power factor upon kVA into 100 into power factor plus PI plus PCU. This efficiency is efficiency 1. So where PI, that is iron loss, and PCU, that is copper loss at full load, are constant. So therefore efficiency is given 0.9877 equals to 400 into 100, and the power factor is 0.8 upon 400 into 100 into power factor is 0.8 in bracket PI plus PCU. We have to calculate here iron loss, that is PI. Therefore PI plus PCU equals to, by rearranging term, and we get PI plus PCU equals to 3985 watt. Give this term as equation number 1. So consider second condition. With the charge in load, there is no change in iron loss, but the copper loss will be changed. So copper loss at half load is given by PCU half load equals to 1 upon 2 square into PCU at full load. That is rearranging this term, we get PCU at half load divided by 4. This is because with the change in load there is no change in iron loss, but the copper loss will be changed. So give this equation number 2. Next, third step, efficiency at half load is given. What is the what is given efficiency? Efficiency at half load equals to 1 by 2 into kVA into 1000 into power factor upon 1 by 2 into kVA into 1000 into power factor plus PI plus PCU at half load. Putting all the values, we will get 0.9913 equals to 1 upon 2 into 400 into 1000 into 1, power factor is 1, divided by 1 by 2 into 400 plus into 1000 into 1 plus PI plus PCU at half load. But we know by equation number 2 we will get 1 upon 2 into 400 into 1000 into 1 divided by 1 upon 2 into 400 into 1000 into 1 plus PI plus PCU is PCU at half load divided by 4. So from equation 1 and equation 3 we get PI plus PCU at full load divided by 4 equals to 1755 watt. So by subtracting equation 3 from equation 1, so by subtracting equation 1 by 3 and by equation 1, what is the equation 3 and what is equation 1? We know that after calculating this we will get PCU at half load equals to 2973 watt and PI equals to 1012 watt. This is our final answer. Okay, we'll take a next numerical. Next numerical, a 100 kVA one phase transformer has full load copper loss of 3 kilowatt and iron loss of 2 kilowatt. Find the efficiency of the transformer at half load unity power factor. Okay, this is a very simple numerical. So let's start. What is given? kVA equals to 100 kVA, comma, copper loss PCU at full load is given 3 kilowatt and iron loss is given 2 kilowatt and cos of phi is given 1. So first step, Find copper loss. Find copper loss at half load. Okay. Then PCU half load equals to 1 upon 4 into PCU full load. Then putting the values we get 1.1 upon 4 into 3 kilowatt equals to 0.75 kilowatt or 750 watt. Okay, next step, find half load efficiency. Find half load efficiency. Then what is the formula of half load efficiency? HL equals to 1 upon 2 into kVA full load into 10 raised to 3 into cos phi upon 1 upon 2 into kVA full load into 10 raised to 3 into cos phi plus PCU plus PI. This PCU is half load PCU. Okay, by putting the values we will get 0.5 into 100 into 10 raised to 3 into 1 upon 0.5 into 100 into 10 raised to 3 into 1 plus PCU half load plus PI. Okay, so next step, 0.5 into 100 into 10 raised to 3 upon 0.5 into 100 into 10 raised to 3 plus PCU half load is 750 plus PI is given 200. So by putting all the values we will get efficiency at half load is 0.9479, or by multiplying this by 100 we will get 0.9479 into 100 equals to 94.79%. This is the efficiency at half load. So what they are asked for, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate efficiency of transformer at half load and unity power factor. So here we calculate the efficiency at unity calculate, but the load is half load. Okay, what is given? KVA 100, PCU is equal to 3 kilowatt, PI is equal to 2 kilowatt, cos phi equals to 1, and first of all we calculate copper loss at half load. This is 750 watt. Then next step we calculate here efficiency at half load by using the formula 1 upon 2 into kVA at full load into 10 raised to 3 into cos phi upon 1 upon 2 into kVA full load into 10 raised to 3 into cos phi plus PCU at half load plus PI. We know here power factor is 1 because given that cos phi equals to 1, and the half load we calculate the PCU at half load here. We found that it is a 750 watt and PI is given 2 kilowatt, that means 2000 watts. So by using this formula and putting all the values we will get the efficiency at half load is 94.79%. percent. This is our final answer. So I hope this video is very useful for you and you understand how to solve the numericals and how to calculate the efficiency of transformer at half load. Thank you.